Hi, today I'm going to show you how to fix a water sparks single tap filter. I'm just going to show how to unbox and fix this in your tap line. And this is the water sparks filter, and it's so compact and so nice. I'm just going to, before I teach you how to install this, I'm just going to tell you how this system is working. And this is, you see a filter beneath down here, and this is made of SS316 mesh, and the mesh size is 40 microns, so it means it will remove all the microns up to 40 microns, and the water just passes through this way and then comes out like this. So you just need to take it off, and whenever you feel that you need to clean the filter, you just need to take it out, wash in the running water and put it back. And just see, this SS316 mesh is embedded with the plastic, so the durability is very high. And you can also see a Teflon washer here, which is fixed in the good quality one, so that there's no leak and it's intact always. You just need to put it guided through this one, and then just screw it like this, simple, and it's all done. And things what you need to require to install this single tap filter is, you need to buy these items from the nearest hardware stores. You need an extension nipple like this is called an extension nipple. Okay, and you also need a bare nipple or an X nipple, and the size is half an inch, which is a standard size. I'm just going to show you how to fix this filter. Before fixing the filter, consider this is a tap which is on your bathroom. You just need to, with the pipe wrench, call your plumber, or you can do yourself. Before opening the tap from your pipeline, you just need to make sure you close your overhead tank pipeline which comes to your bathroom. And after doing so with your pipe wrench, you just need to unscrew this like this with you can do with your bare hands also, and just take this apart. And what you need to do is, with the bare nipple which you have already purchased, you just need to add some Teflon tape on top of this so that there is no leak, and put it on the place where you remove the tap. And then what you need to do is put this X nipple on this, and then you're just going to put this tap here. Make sure when you're going to install this, the flow direction of the water is like this, which comes out through like this. So that's a very important thing which you need to do when you're going to fix this filter. Then you need to put a Teflon here also. Then you just need to screw like this. So after this, take your tap which you removed from your pipeline, and you need to put it here. Okay, and this is how it'll look after you do the whole setup. And that's how it looks, and it's all done, and then you can start using it. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much.